It is difficult to imagine a world without debit and credit cards. The days of using cash for transactions are long gone. Our money must keep up with the times as we live in a digital age. Credit cards and debit cards are two of the most widely used financial products in our society today. They are not the same, despite certain similarities. Come with me as we explore the features, distinctions, and other aspects of these two goods. Debit cards allow you to pay for purchases, both online and offline. The amount is debited directly from your account. These are some of the main attributes and advantages of debit cards. Debit cards are simple to obtain. All you need is a current account or savings account. You can only use the money that is now in your account because the amount has been deducted from it. This has the benefit of keeping you from incurring unnecessary debt. Additionally, you can take out cash from an ATM using a debit card. You can be limited in how much you can spend every day. There are yearly and joining fees associated with some debit cards. Some debit cards also offer rewards and the ability to convert your purchases to EMAs, though this is not particularly widespread. You can buy goods and services on credit with credit cards, which are a very common financial tool. At the moment, only banks are able to issue credit cards. Credit cards have several noteworthy benefits and characteristics, including: you can purchase now and pay later with credit cards. If you make your payment by the due date, you can avoid the hefty interest rate. Numerous benefits, including air miles, cashbacks, reward points, and more, are also included with credit cards. Using this product is a fantastic approach to raise your credit score and establish credit. Credit cards have a high interest rate, even if you can use them to withdraw cash. You can pay only the minimal amount owed and make the remaining payments in installments if you are unable to pay your account in full. However, there will be a monthly interest rate of 2.5% to 3.5%. Debit card versus credit card. Your current account or savings. The card company extends credit. Anyone with a current or savings account is qualified. Based on your age, income, and other factors, your account is immediately debited for the amount to be paid before to a specific deadline. There is no interest due. After the due date, hefty interest is applied to the remaining balance. Accessible in certain situations. Available in almost all cases. There can be yearly fees and levies. Includes fees for joining, late payments, and annual fees, among other things. Minimal. Provides enticing benefits and incentives like air miles, cashback, reward points, and more. Typically, there is a daily spending cap. In addition to a credit limit, there are daily and monthly spending limits. Minimal. It is extremely safe and typically includes $0 liability insurance. Withdrawals of cash are often free up to a certain amount. Cash withdrawals attract a heavy interest and fee. Thanks for tuning in with Tiny Me TV.